In this video, I'm going to be explaining the main features you'll be using on each of the pages. Looking first to the top right hand corner, the plus button is available on all pages to add an entry into the section. Conversely, the delete button is also available to remove saved entries from the itinerary. The other option for this top bar is the Update App button, which transfers all changes onto the app. Until this button is clicked, all edits remain in the Coordinator Hub and can only be seen by admin. You will also have the option to add members to all events as well as the overall itinerary. These can be added individually or by group and allow for events, budgets and costs to be added to personal itineraries. All of the pages have the option to change the visibility and status. Visibility allows you to change whether the information is available to all team members or make it private and only viewable to the individuals involved. Status allows you as the coordinator to update an entry as confirmed, pending or cancelled. Confirmed is the default setting, allowing for the team members to see the event in the app. Pending and cancelled both remove the event from being displayed outside of the Coordinator Hub. Changing an event to cancelled is the alternative to simply deleting an entry, allows you to keep all costs incurred by the event within the system. Additional files and documents can also be added to all pages and allow users to click pop-ups within the app. This allows for quick and easy viewing and accessibility to required information for any member added to the page or event. These will all be available offline for in-app users. For all date and time entries, dates will default to the first day of the event, and the time zone, denoted by this flag here, will be adjusted to reflect the itinerary selected time zone. This can of course be adjusted to reflect events that may need to be done pre-travel or separately to the main location. Costs can also be added to most pages and events for users with an enterprise account. By clicking the Add Cost button, amounts, currencies and descriptions are all added here and allow for efficient costing reports and expenses to be done. Most pages also have a sidebar where we can quickly duplicate and sort through bookings. You can use the Group By or Search function to quickly find bookings relevant to the filter. By filtering, we can quickly check which bookings people are on and if they've been overbooked by accident. Finally, to duplicate an event, we just click this button here.